Hey guys, I'm going to IKEA for the first time. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to go to IKEA. OMGGG. We are almost there. I am so excited. We are here. Wow. Wow. Cool room. I wish I could live here. Zooming out so you can see the full view. That creepy. My goofy arm. Put the camera angle upside down. Here I will fix it. Boom. I fix it. Utilda. Rocket ship line. And that creepy. Not me touching it. Utilda. I'm being bad. I'm done, Bob. I see shark. Shark. I see IKEA finger puppets. I am trying to find the IKEA island. I need him. No, oh. They are so loud. At least they're the baby alien. I'm gonna get 5 for my friends. Because my meme said I can. I know you only see 3. But I got to more later on the video. Utilda. Another cool rooms. I found a cool cat. SHHH. Go asleep, my child. Well, this is so weird. Mannequin. Well, they are so cutie. Ooh, a dollhouse. OMG. How come I didn't notice this? OMG. These are so cute. Wow. IKEA rooms are so cool. Not the anime I bought on the wall. Knew my buggy. It running away. Help, I got lost. Like, actually.
Look at it'll be like,
I
what's
never
up
showed
guys,
my
it's my
face.
kitchen video, and today we're gonna be making grimace
Well, guys, I
shapes.
am so funny.
It'll be like that.
Look at the furry chair. And the hook cactus. Cute rug. Look at the fake food. Now I am hungry. OMG. It's my name. Now we are leaving. Well, thank you guys for joining me on this adventure. Have a great day. Wait, there is a goose. He wants to come into the store. I want to adopt him, JK. And make sure to like and subscribe. If you like my video, you don't have to subscribe if you don't want